with Heart, and I'm back with a giant Destash. It's huge. It's a lot of really great high ticket items. I really had to clean it out in here because I couldn't move. So the way it works, you just need to send me an email at scoop71@yahoo.com to let me know which of the lots that you would like. This video has 3 lots. Shipping is included. Shipping is very, very expensive. So I think shipping is probably about $20, $18 to $20. So it is very expensive. But these items are great. A lot of them have never even been used. So email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know which of these you are interested in. And then you're going to pay through PayPal, friends, and family. There are going to be multiple videos, so look in the description box to see how many videos are going to be, because I don't know right now. The first video. So this is video number 1. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to do, so lot number 1 is going to be, it's a lot, not a lot of space up here, is a lawn fawn lot. Some of these have been slightly used. Some of them have never been used. If they have the dies, which most of them do, I will list that. This one's called Bun in the Oven, never been used, I don't think, and it's got the dies. We have Pick of the Patch, and these are the dies. This one makes this woodland critter bat. This is a whale die. Can also make some other critters. This one includes Love You Tons and Float Your Boat, and it has the dies as well as the dies for that other one. We've got the s'mores and the gnome dies. This one is called Love Poems and the die. This one is called You're Just My Type and the dies. This one is I Like You a Lottle. No die on that one. This one is these big scripty words. You do not need the stamp set to use this. It's amazing, and some of my favorite dies. I just have 2 of them. We have this one, which is Simply Celebrate Hearts. Also in here is these dies, which does this Easter basket. Then we have another one of those hugs. This is the Spring Critter Huggers. We've got the Scalloped Circle gift tags. This is the Build a Birdhouse Christmas add-on. I feel like I might have the actual other thing in here. Hello Sunshine. And this is the oven die. It's an oven die in there. This one is Bugs and Kisses dies. Happy Trails and the dies. Christmas Like No Otter and the dies. Never used that one at all. Bah Humbug. I don't think I used this one either. I don't think so. And the dies. I might have that one twice. Here is the Build a Birdhouse. So those add-ons go with this. And Snow Cool. This whole lot is $100. So this is $100 shipped. Got them all like in little bags to kind of keep everything together. Okay, number 2, these are miscellaneous dies for $60. Some of these have never been used. So I have this one. This is memory box. Simon Says stamp. We have the Cottage Cuts. It says Cottage Cuts Paris. That's not what it is. It's this one right here. These are ornaments. This is a stitched heart. This one right here. And they all come with the magnet sheets. So they're all ready to go. So if I have magnets on there, so that's another added bonus with this, is that everything is ready, already packaged and everything for you, because that's an expense too. This one includes a little stamp set too, because I didn't realize the stamp set was on there. This one, as you can see, this does this mushroom. And this is a Chanel, and it does this triangle box. A lot of these have never even been used, and I'm just never going to get to it. This does a cupcake. And just a bow. And this one is the Echo Park. There's this one right here, and this is like the Echo Park. Goes with the Tomorrowland. That one, spell. That. Binders. And then this is the bunny and the star. Okay, so that is $60 shipped. The last one, this one is, I don't know what I did with my little sign. It's polka, it's little, the little darlings rubber stamps. Okay. All right, and this one is $75 shipped. So you get this Polka Doodles Tea for Two. This one, Winnie's Scrumptious Cupcake. This one is, I forget what I call it, Let's Go, and it's the Winnie in a car, and it includes the dies. This one is Girls Just Want to Have Funs, and the dies. And Sending Wishes. This is a gnome, Christmas Love. This one right here is Winnie Relax. This is No Matter What. This one is Gnome for Tea. Nobody Else Will Do. Christmas Gifts. No More Waiting. Snow Gnomes. This is the Having a Giraffe. This one is Woof You. These are the printed toppers and paper, so it includes papers, and then it includes little images already colored in, and then you can cut them out, or you can, use them. And then these two, 25 December and Bauble Fun. And then this one, which is Naughty or Nice and Snow Ho Ho. This is Winnie Broomstick and Tea-rific. Okay, so this is video number 1, and those are lots 1, 2, and 3. Thank you for watching. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and let me know if you're interested in any of these lots. Thank you for watching.